Number 1. 1984 Toyota truck, $20,500, Santa Rosa, California. This 1984 Toyota shortbed pickup is a desirable compact classic known for durability. It is powered by a 22R four-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission and shows 147,000 original miles with a clean title. The truck runs excellent and has new tires, brakes, and shocks, and it has passed California emissions testing. While the body shows some rust and needs a replacement bed, the strong mechanical condition makes it a solid candidate for a light restoration or a reliable vintage daily driver. At $2,500 in Santa Rosa, California, it is an affordable entry into the classic compact truck market. Number 2. 1988 Ford Custom, $2,500 Miller, Missouri. This 1988 Ford Custom is equipped with a 302 cubic inch V8 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, showing 156,000 miles and a clean title. The truck runs strong and has new tires installed. It includes the original tailgate, which functions properly despite cosmetic fading. The 302 V8 is one of Ford's most proven small block engines, known for its balance of power and reliability. With only minor cosmetic dings, this truck presents itself as a solid working classic. At $2,500 in Miller, Missouri, it offers excellent value for buyers seeking a dependable vintage pickup with V8 performance and manual transmission engagement. Number 3. 1983 Chevrolet S10 Durango, $20,900, El Paso, Texas. This 1983 Chevrolet S10 Durango is a rare extended cab and extended bed configuration, powered by a 2.8-liter V6 engine paired with a Borg-Warner 4-speed manual transmission. The odometer reads 99,765 miles, though the seller estimates actual mileage closer to 199,975 miles. It carries a clean Texas title. Recent mechanical updates include a professionally rebuilt carburetor, new spark plugs, new spark plug wires, new distributor components, and a digital water temperature gauge. It also features a Bluetooth stereo with Sony speakers and a more comfortable bench seat sourced from a later Chevrolet Blazer. The Durango trim is uncommon and collectible among S10 enthusiasts. While it remains a work truck in fair condition, the mechanical attention it has received adds confidence. At $2,900 in El Paso, Texas, this is a practical and increasingly rare early S10 variant. Number 4. 1989 Ford F450 Super Duty dump truck, $9,500, Reno, Nevada. This 1989 Ford F450 Super Duty dump truck is a heavy-duty commercial-grade vehicle powered by the massive 460 cubic inch 7.5-liter V8 engine, paired with a manual transmission. With only 39,791 original miles and a clean title, it presents as a well-preserved workhorse. The 460 big block is known for its immense torque, ideal for hauling and dumping applications. The F450 chassis is built for serious payload capacity and long-term durability. At $9,500 in Reno, Nevada, this truck represents a strong value for contractors or collectors seeking a low-mileage vintage heavy-duty Ford. Number 5. 1989 Chevrolet R3500 dually square body, $6,800, Modesto, California. This 1989 Chevrolet R3500 dually represents the final era of the highly collectible square body generation. Equipped with a V8 engine and manual transmission, it shows 90,000 miles and holds a clean title. The truck runs strong, stops well, and all features are reported to be functioning. The removable flatbed adds versatility and resale value. As a cab and chassis platform, it shares design DNA with lighter Chevrolet trucks, but features heavier-duty suspension and rear axle components. At $6,800 in Modesto, California, this square-body dually offers both work capability and long-term collector potential. Number 6. 1978 Chevrolet K20 Custom Deluxe 4x4, $9,000, Sharon, Wisconsin. This 1978 Chevrolet K20 Custom Deluxe is a 3/4-ton four-wheel drive pickup powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-bolt main block, paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer reads 58,750 miles and it carries a clean title. The truck features new battery, strong running condition, good tires, and replacement body panels including fenders, doors, bed, and tailgate completed years ago. It also includes the original tailgate and has a solid frame. The K20 series is highly respected for durability and off-road capability. At $9,000 in Sharon, Wisconsin, this truck stands as a solid example of a classic heavy-duty four-wheel drive Chevrolet from the late 1970s. Number 7. 1978 Chevrolet Pickup 4x4, $6,500, Sacramento, California. This 1978 Chevrolet half-ton four-wheel drive short bed is equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. It features factory air conditioning, but currently has a missing title. The truck has been sitting outdoors for over 30 years and is described as extremely rough. Although it starts and moves, it is not roadworthy and requires complete restoration. Square-body Chevrolet trucks from this era are highly sought after, especially short-bed four-wheel drive examples. However, restoration costs will be significant. At $6,500 in Sacramento, California, this truck is best suited for experienced restorers seeking a challenging but potentially rewarding project. Number 8. 1985 Ford F250, $5,000, Dunsmuir, California. This 1985 Ford F250 four-wheel drive is powered by the 460 cubic inch 7.5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer reads 57,226 miles, though rollover is suspected. It carries a clean title. Recent upgrades include a rebuilt 4-barrel carburetor, new fuel pump, new sending unit, new radiator, new battery, new starter solenoid, and replacement bench seat. Some minor issues remain, including windshield wipers and stereo wiring. The 460-powered F250 is known for strong towing capability and durability. At $5,000 in Dunsmuir, California, this truck represents a solid mechanical platform with room for refinement. Number 9. 1964 Ford 350 Flatbed, $7,300, Fruitland, Idaho. This 1964 Ford 350 flatbed truck is a classic heavy-duty work platform powered by a V8 engine and manual transmission. Showing 36,600 miles with a clean title, it benefits from new exhaust, new rear brakes and cylinders, and a new master brake cylinder. Rust is reportedly limited to a small area behind the cab. The low-mileage engine adds collector interest. Mid-1960s Ford heavy-duty trucks are increasingly appreciated for their vintage industrial styling and rugged construction. At $7,300 in Fruitland, Idaho, this truck offers both utility and classic charm. Number 10. 1969 Ford F150 Ranger Long Bed, $7,500, Chico, California. This 1969 F150 Ranger bump side is powered by its original 390 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission. Showing about 122,000 miles and a clean title, it runs and drives well, is currently registered, and features properly working power steering. At $7,500 in Chico, California, this long bed example offers solid drivability and classic American pickup appeal.